Okay, folks, we're going to look at this next shape here. It's a composite shape. It's made up of two rectangles. So we need to split the shape up into its two component pieces. So Yusuf, can you give me an idea of where we could put the split?
We can split it where the line is, where the little gap is there.
Yeah. So we split the shape like that. Excellent, well done. Well, good idea, Yusuf. So we could call this part here A. We can call this area here B. So we've got two shapes, A and B. So if I want to work out the area of the shape, let's say the area of the whole lot is equal to the area of
A plus B.
A, we'll make it the same as capital, add the area of B. Now the area of A, because it's a rectangle, will be what? Area of a rectangle will be?
Length times by width plus
because they're both rectangles. So the length and width of the first rectangle will be what?
It will be 4 times by 2.
And the length and the width of the second rectangle B here got 8.5 and?
Times by 10.
8.5 times by 10. So 4 times by 2 will give us?
8.
Whoa, that's heavy. 8. And 8.5 times by 10 will give us?
85.
85. And then if you add them all together, give us?
93.
So the area of the composite shape is 93. Now you haven't given us any units.
Centimeters.
It's millimeters. So millimeter squared. So the idea is to add the area in this particular instance. Sometimes you have a question where you have to minus it. Okay? Let's have a look at one of those now. Next question. Let's pause the video for a second and draw the next diagram. Okay, in this particular composite shape, it is rather than us splitting up into 2 or 3 smaller rectangles, it's easy for us to have a different idea to this question. So we're going to say the area of the composite shape is equal to, if you work out the area of the whole shape, so you do the work out of the big shape, as though it's one big rectangular card, minus the area of the little bit that we've cut out from over here, this part here. Okay, so in this particular question, this is really a shape that's got a piece missing out from it, so we minus it. Okay, so the area that we're going to cut out over here, here's the area we'll cut out here. This is the area that we're going to cut out. Now, let's work out the area of the big shape. To work out the area of the big shape, we need to know what the length is here. Because we already got the width. The width is here. So, does anybody know how we work out the length? We do 11, add 3, add 4. 11 add 3 add 4 is? 18. So we have 18 centimeters as length. Now minus the area of the small bits that we're going to cut out. The small bit that we're going to cut out here, what's the area of that? It's also length times by width, which is going to be what? So what do we have now? 18 times by 6 will give you what? Will give you 60 plus 48. Which will give you? And 3 times by 9 is? Sorry, 3 times by 3 is? 9. 108 minus 9 is? 99. So the area of that shape is 99 centimeters. Okay, so it's all in the idea. So we're going to work out the area of the big shape here, and we're going to cut out the blue shape bit here, and that will give you the area of the leftover stuff. Okay, are we happy with that? Yes? Okay, let's give you something slightly. Let's see how you get on this next question. The next question is based on what we've done so far. Okay, let's start off with a nice rectangle. So the next question, here we go. That was I wanted a rectangle. I don't think I selected it. Let's go for a rectangle. So we have this shape here, rectangle. Now in this rectangle, we are going to cut out from the rectangle these two shapes. Let's see how you get on with this. Okay, right. This is the question for you guys to do. So we've been told that this length here is 12 centimeters and the height here is 18 centimeters. We have been told that the radius for the first circle is 7 centimeters and the radius for the second circle is 6 centimeters. So you have to work out the area of the shaded area. Whoops, that shouldn't have been on that. Okay. Remember, the most important thing in this particular question before you start jumping into the mathematics, you've got to have the right idea. So remember, in the first question here, this was our idea. It's all in the idea. It's all, you've got to think about how am I going to do this question. It means this, this, and this. So once you get your idea right, then the math will follow on and math will be easier. So you've got to get your idea right for this particular question. So let's see who's the first one to give me the idea. Okay, no, don't shout out. You write down first to start the question. Let's give everybody else a chance to work, to have the idea. You don't need to do any maths at all. I just want from the class the idea only. I'm going to pause it now. I'm going to wait for 1,000 years for you guys to answer.